Alright, we're on step 2 of the vertical stabilizer. Got the front spar and we got these doubling angles. These 4 bottom holes, we're not going to rivet those yet, so I put the DNR. I know, someone made a joke on YouTube about it in the comments, but that just helps me remember not to rivet those holes. We'll go ahead and rivet, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes here with the 3.2 by 8 domed aluminum rivets. The 142. So we'll go ahead and get going on that. We'll Cleco it first and then rivet it.
For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at brads/slingtsi.wordpress.com. Vertical stabilizer step 2 took 30 minutes. Total time on the empennage so far, 75 hours, 20 minutes. Please like this video. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll receive notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.